Good day, viewers all over the world. You are welcome to Trident Online class. So now we want to solve for x. X in this case represents x and y. And we said by formula, if you want to find x, it's given as A inverse B. So what is A inverse? A inverse simply means the inverse of A. Inverse of A will not be equal to 1 all over AD minus BC by formula. You can check my video. We are going to have DA minus B minus C. That's what you are going to get. So if we do that here, in this case now, this will be A, B, C, D. So if we apply that here, we are going to have our A inverse to be equal to, the determinant is 2 times, 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 3 is 4. That will be 1 all over minus 3 into brackets. Then we have D and A is the same thing, minus 2, 1. So when we apply the formula to find the inverse of the matrix, that's what we are going to get. Then if we multiply through, our A inverse will now be minus 1 over 3, 2 over 3. Then we are going to have 2 over 3 minus 1 over 3. That's what we are going to get as A inverse. So finally, S is equal to A inverse multiplied by B. So let's find the value of X here. So X will now be equal to A inverse multiplied by B. So A inverse by formula is given as minus 1 over 3, 2 over 3, 2 over 3, minus 1 over 3. That's what we are going to get. Multiplied by B is the coefficient. That is the constant, minus 4 times 1. If we use this to multiply this, at the end of the day, we are going to have 4 over 3 plus 2 over 3. That's what we are going to get there. Then the denominator, when we multiply, we are going to have minus 8 over 3 minus 1 over 3. That's what we are going to get. Then at the end of the day, this will give us 6 over 3 over minus 9 over 3. That's what we are going to get. Then from there, we are going to get x to be equal to 2 and minus 3. Then what is x? X is the same thing as x all over y. So therefore, the value of x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 3, as we have it when we use Cramer's rule. So if you apply this method also, you are still going to get the same answer. So we should note that if you want to solve this system of linear equations, we can use Cramer's rule, we can use this formula, then we can also use, there are so many methods, we have so many approaches. Just take note. As long as you can manipulate and work around matrices, knowledge of matrices. So the knowledge of inverse can actually help us also to find system of linear equation that involves 2 or more unknown. Thank you.